the first thing you need to do is to go to chatopenai.com. Welcome to ChatGPT. You need to log in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, it's easy. Just go ahead and say sign up. So when you click sign up, you will be taken to this page here to create an account. So all you do really, you can either add your email address, or you can use here continue with Google account or with Microsoft. Now they even have continue with Apple. Okay, so whichever you choose, just go ahead and create the account and go from there. So it's a very simple process. I'll let you do that on your own, and I'll see you in a second here. I already have an account, as you can see here. Now, one thing I have to say is that there are different versions of ChatGPT interface in this case. So you could have an account, a paid account, which is, I believe, is $20 a month, and that's exactly what I have. So see here, it says ChatGPT Plus, but you don't need to have ChatGPT Plus to use this course or to be able to leverage ChatGPT and do all these things, the awesome things that we're doing, right? You can have a free account, that is totally fine. Now, there are advantages to having a subscription account, because in this case, ChatGPT Plus, there are more perks per se. For instance, I have a choice, as of recording this video, I have a choice to toggle between GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. Okay, you can see, of course, GPT-4 is more advanced, is more capable, is the most capable model, as they say here, great for tasks that require creativity and advanced reasoning. But again, do not worry, free version has the same capabilities as well, at least the basic capabilities, which is GPT 3.4 as of recording this video. Remember, this is a company that is pushing updates pretty much daily, so things may change in terms of the capacity as well as how powerful ChatGPT is, which is a good thing. So keep that in mind as we go through this course. Okay, so once you have your account, this is essentially what you will see. Now, one thing you'll notice also is that I have a different mood per se when it comes to when you look at my ChatGPT here. Yours may not look exactly like mine, specifically the color. So what I have toggled here is what we call, you can go to settings and you can change the theme that you want. So I have the dark mode theme. You can use system, which will mimic the system theme that you have. And you can have light, which is going to be just light. And I have the dark mode. So I like dark mode because it's just easier on the eye. So either way, it's okay. And the other thing you will notice that to the left here, we have this, we can actually toggle the header if you hover over hide sidebar, I should say, and you can create new chats. Okay, we're gonna learn more about what's going on here, but the basics here is that every time you want to create a new conversation, a new chat thread, it's always important to create a new chat by clicking here. As such, that will just create a new chat, and as you type the questions here, this is where you type your prompts. The questions are called prompts. That's where then you type send a message, just like a chat. You can say, hey, what's your name? Something like this. And of course, it will tell you exactly, hello, I'm ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI. And just like that, you can see that new chat that we created now has some sort of a title. And you can go ahead and change the title of the new chat, right? Because what will happen is, as you create different chats, different conversations, you want to separate those to be very contextual. All right, so that's what we have here. And as you have all those chats, they're going to be showing up to the left here. Okay, you can always click on your name and go to your plan. You can clear all the conversations if you wish to do so. You can go to settings, as I show you. You can clear all chats from here as well, and all these different things. You can also go to beta features and go from there. So that is the very basic user interface of ChatGPT. The other thing I need to point out is, I'm going to close this down. I'm going to point out that you see here at the bottom says ChatGPT may produce inaccurate information about people, places, or facts. This is as of ChatGPT May 24 version. All right, so these will change with time because this is a new technology, so they are pushing it. A lot of things are happening, so just keep that in mind. But that's the beauty of technology, right? Because things are changing, you're getting new updates, and this engine is getting better and better. So let's celebrate that. Okay, so now you have a basic idea of the user interface, ChatGPT user interface, and I'll see you in the next video.